Right, well, as usual, we seem to not be using the right camcorder. It's not hardly in the picture, but you'll get the gist of the fact this is a Danita 640, which is a European EU only FM set. Doing 3.4 watts, and we're on the factory original mic for throughout. It's an as new set, and it's one of Mr. Trucking and Farming's, and it's presented in the original box. So we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodge, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Oh, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
There we go.
Roger that. Off we go.
10-4.
Roger that. So we're heading up the lane towards the end of
More
it.
treble,
Passing
less
the parking
treble,
place
more treble.
and doggy daycare.
Roger on that.
Pretty trebly audio on that. Has it got a clear normal mode on?
Negative, I'm on the factory original mic, which may be that way.
Yeah, I mean, it's not terrible. It's clear, but it's like having one of them sets with a normal clear switch in the clear position.
Yeah, it's a Maxon manufactured set.
Okay. Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Right, we were almost square wheeled, but we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
On a Danita 640 radio from about 1985-86.
passing the Greyleys turn.
So you're the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
So you're 5 mile point, I'm on the Danita 640, from about 1980 mar26, saying 3.4 watts output. It's got high-low power on it, which is unusual for the CEPT set, and we're on the factory line. Current is range just over 1 amp, 1.84 amps. I go to low power, set to 420 watts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, there we are on low power.
Roger that. Is there any mic gain on that set? Because you seem quieter than you were, unless you're just backing off from the mic.
I'll just try and talk a bit closer to it. Yes, I must have been backing off a bit over.
Yeah, because no problem on full power, but on low power, because of the signal to noise ratio, I really couldn't tell what you were saying.
I'm just going to go to low power again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And making sure that the microphone on low power. Back to full power. Testing 1, 2, 3, back on full power over.
Yeah, that was better, but it's still very noisy on this band, so it's difficult.
Roger enough, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Doctor.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, it's still 140.9 and 165.9 here, which makes it very cheap compared to, we passed Barkston today at 149.9 and 179.9.
There we go. Right. Well, thanks for that. That worked fine.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a better price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, it's still 140.9 and 165.9 here, which makes it very cheap compared to with Barkston today at 149.9 and 179.9.
There we go. Right. Well, thanks for that. That worked fine.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Right, we'll go to our base station, see what that sounds like. We'll be using the CPT base station, which is the Uniden Pro 640 or something like that. It's going to hum because it's only on a mag mount. It's not this radio, it's going to be that. But we'll do the high-low power, but just bear in mind it's just on a mag mount.
Tango 21 testing the Danita 640, was it? Yes, into our Uniden Pro 620 base station, whatever it is. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power as a hum test. There will be a hum. There we are, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on low power. Now we are back on full power. I think tomorrow we've got a 78134 set, and it is RSCBX. So thank you for watching the Danita 640 CPT FM set.